The birds there seeing off a bird of prey, or trying to chase off a bird of prey. And again, do hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham Estate, Killing Fields. Can see Prince Harry Potter, Prince of Darkness, E.T. Hybrid Host, Red Dragons, Prince William for details, their High Royal Blue Crime, New Year's Day Fine, September Blue Murder, certainly not mine. As always, certainly not me leaving the body of a 17-year-old sex trafficked gal on the Royal Sandringham Estate, Killing Fields, late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. No black wizard here. Very good film, pledged Jack Nicholson, giant of a man, rides around in a black Volvo estate, abducting children and young girls. Called The Wizard, so no Sandringham serial killer, black wizard terrorist, this shooter here. As always, certainly no mad, deranged, insane, demon possessed, Jekyll and Hyde, number 21 or number 23, serial killer here, Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham. No black cat copycat, black cat of Burston, son of Sam, Black Panther. Serial killer here, Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham, really don't think so. So they will set you up with the biggest monster lies and the biggest bogus diagnosis, again to get you done in or boxed up, locked up, throw away the key, but all to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder, and certainly not mine. And again, as always, that is the word that came off the Royal Sandringham Estate, Killing Fields, loud and clear. Everyone nicely used and setting me up in their precision engineered black box serial killer frame fix assassination. Can see Simon Bailey don't cry, his blonde host plain clothes lover, not true detective for details. Still with 7 monster lies, 7 bogus diagnoses. Not even Harry Houdini could escape from. In a 22-year catch-22, complete abuse of power, position, authority and influence in public office. Again, all to cover up high crimes. Certainly not mine.